is it? Do you want to bring the bag in the middle here?
Jilly, what's this one? This looks like a purple.
Is it a tutu?
It's a purple skirt.
For doing ballet, for doing
wanna
fairy
put it on?
ballet.
You want to put it on? Step in. Step in. Okay. Other leg.
So, yeah. You're wearing a tutu, yes.
Show your mama.
Show me.
Show mama.
Can you see it?
Oh, so pretty. You know what? I think there might be something else in that bag, Jilly.
What else is in here?
What else, Jilly? Look. Look what else is in that bag.
What else is in the bag?
That's Tansy.
Oh.
That's it.
That'll change your Cinderella dress?
You want Cinderella dress off? Okay, hands up. Okay.
That's another wrap skirt for when Jilly doesn't want to wear her tutu. For ballet. Huh?
Do you want me to take this one off so you can look at your tutu?